Hey, want to see those hidden transactions again in Revolut? I'll show you exactly how to unhide them step by step in 2025. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Log in and go to your account activity or transaction list. Step 2. Tap the filter icon, usually located at the top right of the transaction screen. Step 3. Look for Hidden Transactions filter. If you've hidden any, this option will appear. Step 4. Disable the hidden filter. Turn off or uncheck the Hidden Transactions filter to show them again. Step 5. View and manage transactions. Your hidden transactions will now appear in your list. Important tips. Only transactions you manually hid will appear here. Use this to double-check for missed or incorrect entries. You can rehide transactions anytime following the same menu. That's how easy it is to unhide transactions on Revolut. For more Revolut guides, like and subscribe to the channel.